Oh, why hello there. I didn't see you. That was the worst intro ever, everybody. Hello everybody. It is me, back at it again, I suppose. And today we're doing a bit of a special thing in which I complete the Mathcounts 2020 chapter round. This one was a good one. I've done it. I don't really remember it, but let's see how I do. I mean, if I have 40 minutes, I'm hoping for, well, with explanation, of course, that might make it harder. I think a 26 would be good. Let's begin. 26, because the last few problems are brutal. Let's begin at 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. New minutes are in 4.5 hours. Alright, 4 times 60, that's 240 plus half an hour, 30, 270. Speed is key here. Oopsie. That's 3 oranges for every 9 oranges. You multiply by 3, so you get 15. X equals 1/2 and y equals 6. What is the value of 12? X, y, 1/2 times 6. That's 36. Okay, what's the minimum wind speed for category 4 and maximum wind speed of category 1? Okay, category 1 maximum 95 and minimum, so 135. Let me plug my computer quickly. Oh boy. No, 130. What am I saying? I meant to do 35. Always catch your, okay, what's perimeter squares area is 40, 144, 48, because it's 12, and there's 4 of them. Oh, oopsie. Okay, we spent 1 minute so far. 3 miles equals 1 league, and 1 league equals 24 furlongs. 24 furlongs are equal to 1 mile. Hold up. I'm confused. 8. 89, 49, 119. 89, 49 makes 138. Plus 119, that's 7. 257, so we get 103. 248, 16 was 5th, obviously 32. Last one's 2 polygons. Her second polygon has 2 fewer than twice as many sides. Her first polygon is triangle. How many sides does her second polygon? 4. Wow, these are pretty easy so far. 4 per meter, 50 centimeters of candy rope. 2. Oh god, let's go quickly. We've already spent 2 minutes. Miss Go had an average of 70 for her first 3 rounds of golf. First scores for the first 2 rounds were 60 and 72. What was her score for the second? 70. Oh god, let me just remove this freaking line. 70. Okay. Figure showing the inner square has area 36. What's the area of the outer square? 72. Rafa and Sasha played along 320.10 match. 4.7, 11.8, find the difference, that's 0.9 times 320, that's 9 times 320, 9 times 32 is what? 270 plus 18, 288. That doesn't seem right. Yeah, okay. Length would add up to 16, length is 3 times the width. What is the area of said rectangle? 48. Because x plus 3x, right? So 5 times 6 times 12, so 5 squared times 12 squared, right? I think so, yeah. So 5 times 12, so that gets us to 6 and a 0. That's a 5 inches. We're parallel, and they are all length of 1 inch. What's the total area of shady surface? Well, that's 16 minus 9 plus 4 minus 1. So 7 plus 3. 2 digit prime numbers have you. Oh my god, this gives me memories. Very, very bad memories. Okay. Right. 11, 31, 41, not 51, 61, 71, 5. God darn it. Okay. Donate $10 and then pledge to donate 10 cents. 35 cents for each if equals the total amount. So 10 plus 10. 35x. Well, it's actually 1,000 plus 10x equals 40. Right, because then you subtract 10x. Or if the correctly work arithmetic problem are missing, how many possible values are there for the digit represented by A? Right. I don't understand. Is this problem written correctly? I'm fairly confident it is not. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not written correctly. Fairly sure, but we will see. Maybe it is correctly written. Well, A can be 6, it can be 7, it can be 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, there's 4. I think it is correctly written, actually. Line up with bottom marking for Q inches. What is the value of Q? Well, 1 is at 3.5, so you're adding 2.5, so you're subtracting 2.5, so 3.5. Oh boy, now we get into the good stuff. Right. No one wants to fill in 2 blanks to create a 5-digit positive integer that is divisible by 6. What's the greatest 5-digit multiple of 6 you can create? Well, obviously, we want these 2 digits to be as big as possible. Maximum sum is 18, right? However, those sum to 8, so it's got to be one more, so 16, right? So 16 is the maximum. What the heck? Why can't I write on the... Oh, I'm in the wrong layer. Right, so 16 is the maximum possible sum. So 8 and 8. 5, 8, 1, 8, 2. Okay, what is the integer nearest to x? If 3 to the x equals 1500. Okay, well, 3 to the 6th is 729. 3 to the 7th is 2, 1, 8, 7. Now this baby is about, oh god, a bit more than halfway there. Oh no. A bit less, sorry, so I believe it would be 6. If I'm doing it correctly. What's the square root of 3 to the 13? Okay, you know what, never mind. I'm fairly confident I got this one wrong on the real test. I believe it's 7. And even lines pass through at least 2 of the 9 grid points. Well, obviously you have bam, 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 bam. So that's 6 lines, 7 lines, 8 lines, 9 lines, 10 lines, 11 lines, 12 lines, 13 lines, 14 lines, 15 lines, 16 lines. Is there anything else I'm missing? I don't believe there is, but I'm pretty sure that's what I got on the real test. Oh no. Right, so we have 6 of those plus 2 of those plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. Is there any more? Is there any more? Well, yes, there's this one, this one, this one, this one. So that's another 4. Is there anyone else who is not speaking up? We're going 20. 2x minus 3 cubed equals a 3 blah 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 blah. What is the value of the sum of them? Okay, chief. 2x minus 3 cubed. Well, obviously the ending one is going to be minus 27. Next one, how many x, right? So 2x minus 3 squared is going to be about 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. I'm doing this all wrong. Okay, so the form for x cubed is x plus minus y cubed is it's x cubed. Is it plus or minus? I can't remember. Let's just multiply it out. Minus 2x plus y squared times x minus y. This is a huge time waster. X cubed minus 2x squared. Okay, so it's minus 3xy plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared minus y cubed. Right, so if we plug that in, 2x cubed, which get us 8x cubed minus 3x squared y. X squared is 4, so minus 12. Right, minus 12. Oh no, minus. Okay, so minus 3x squared y equals what? 4x squared times negative 3, negative 12x squared. Minus negative 36, so plus 36. So 8 plus 36, and then plus 3xy squared, so 9 times 2, that gets us 18, plus 3, plus, so that's 54. Oh god, I feel like I'm doing this one wrong as well. I don't know. Oh god. Hopefully I don't get this one wrong. I'm kind of rushing it. I'll check this one later on. Plus, what is that? 44, 71. I'm definitely checking that one. 10,000 marbles are so rolled on a pipe system. You can read that. So, I remember, so the area of this is 1/4 the area of this. Therefore, 1/4, a fifth of the marbles go in here. So here we have 2,000. And the area of this is 9 times as much as this. Therefore, a tenth of them go in here. So that's 200. But then you also have this side, 4/5, which is 8,000. And then this is another 1/5, which is 1,600. 1,600 plus 200. 1,800. Oh boy. Now this whole thing, I think I can solve 2 of them. These are really hard problems. This one I know I can solve. This one's pretty easy. You have this. Let's call this y, right? We know x squared plus y squared equals this, which is √6. Let's do that. X squared plus y squared equals √6. We also know that xy equals 2, right? Because there's 2 of them, xy, but then when you divide by 2 for the area, so xy equals that area of that, which is 2. So then we know we're asked for x squared, right? So x plus y squared equals, we're adding 2xy, √6 plus 4. If that is correct, yes. X minus y squared equals, I'm doing something wrong, aren't I? Oh god, what am I doing wrong here? X squared plus y squared, x plus y whole squared is equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. We know x squared plus y squared, equals 6. So we know that x plus y squared equals 10. Sorry, this is equal to 6. X minus y squared, 2. You know, x plus y equals √10. X minus y equals √2. You add the two together, you get 2x equals √10 plus √2 over 2. Well, that's what x is equal to. Then we square it. √10 plus √2 squared. √10 plus √2 squared. That gets us 10 plus 2 20, we'll write it like that for now. We'll simplify later, plus 2. That's equal to 12 plus 4 root 5. But then you're dividing by 2, which is, when you square it, 4. So the 4's cancel, gets 3 plus 1 root 5. So the answer is, hopefully, I believe it is 8. Now for this one. This is another one I'm fairly confident I should be able to solve. When 9 factorial spec blah 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 blah, it ends in m zeros. And the last non-zero digit immediately preceding the m zeros is n. What's the value of the order pair m, comma n? 9 factorial, we're just going to brute force our way through it, because we have tons of time. We've only used 15 minutes, which is quite nice. However, I did memorize some of the problems. Well, I didn't memorize them. It's just 27. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so 9 times 320 is obviously 2880 plus 360. Right, and then so we convert this into base 9. Oh boy. Oh boy. Maybe I shouldn't have done brute force. 720.